Good morning and welcome to today's video. Today's a very sad day and the reason today is a very sad day. R.I.P. Floof. As some of you guys may have noticed, halfway through the Tour de France, my microphone was playing up. This is the culprit. It's a road. This is the second one I've been through. Despite riding with the camera on my back fairly aggressively, it doesn't take too much strain and I always keep it dry and it buggered up. You have broken for the last time. Now I'm trying out this Sony microphone. It's a shorter barrel, so I don't know how far you can sort of reach sound. Say something. I'm saying something! If you can hear him all right, then I think we're gonna be good. Here we are at Jam HQ. We've got a day of work to do. We've got some new shit. Disc wheel, things, bits, bobs. Let's do it. Hello! Oh, he walked off.
Oh, he's gone.
All right, mate.
Windy as fudge out there.
It took me about an extra half hour to get here.
Yeah. It's basically like that god dude or Santa, same person, both have a beard.
Santa?
Yeah, not George.
Not me.
Guy we met yesterday, Gandalf.
He looks a bit like God or Gandalf or
Young God
Jesus.
Gandalf. Gandalf when he was hipster. But yeah, it's just like that geezer's just going at you all day long. That's why I'm quite sweaty. And also why I forgot to brush my teeth this morning, so I'm going to go buy a toothbrush.
Saw it already, mate.
Huh? No!
First episode of today, we want to get some more content around cyclocross. We're going to go down to the river, top secret location, see if we can muddy up the bikes. But we got to recce it first. This is a professional operation.
Was. This coat, too big. You want to get in?
Yeah.
Plenty of room.
Nice.
Warm now, isn't it?
Can we get down there?
Yeah, boy. This could work quite nicely.
Yeah, man, this is cool.
Yeah?
Assume this all goes underwater at some point. Never need to go on holiday again. We've got a beach right here. Pebbles, basically Brighton, isn't it?
Don't have to spoil the backdrop of me with that fucking mini drilling rig in the background.
That's quite cool.
Let's go and look at the sand.
Nice and industrial.
I'm gonna go.
So this is what happened to the last people that tried to make a cycling video. Should we bring it back?
Into 10. No.
Do a upper, mate. It's a do-upper.
Mate, Chris could have a go.
Chris is right. It's the right size for Ant, his mate.
Yeah. What's the responsible thing to do that? Do we put it in a bin? Put it back down?
No, we use it as a prop later.
We use it as a prop later.
Put it in a safe place.
Put it there.
It's a track bike as well.
Yeah. It's the new Patagonia summer-winter range. All seasons covered, minus rain. Is that your model pose?
It's not.
Should we buy some really overpriced lunch in this shop?
Yes, please.
The general store.
You can buy a foldy card though.
£3.50. The cheapest thing in the shop.
So bright here.
Everything takes so long in this place.
Well, I think what had happened was she was capturing the coffee beans,
Milking them.
milking
Tiny udders.
milking the oat.
Lawrence.
Legit around here, do you know why there's so many dogs?
Why? Because we're Battersea Dog Zone.
Yeah, exactly. And it's great, isn't it? It's fantastic. Hello.
Man with a giant carpet taken out by a car.
Aladdin nearly took you out, didn't he?
That was a good one, that.
That is the king of the Lawrences.
I've spotted a bike I want to have a look at.
Oh no. Not got very far with it.
How long ago did you buy this?
For about 3 months ago, 2 months ago. I've not got as far with it as I'd like to have got with it.
It's designed to be ridden with one wheel, no crank. You can ride that, can't you? Put
Yeah,
one
probably.
pedal up. This is a balance bike. It's Ant's balance bike, isn't it?
Can you do me a favour, Francis?
Yeah.
Can you show me how to do some bar tape properly?
I can show you,
I'm
yeah.
terrible at it.
Who did that?
That?
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I did.
It isn't even staying on the end here, George.
I didn't do a very good job, I
I'm
admit
supposed
that.
to be in charge of a bike company. Why is it falling on me? Where did that come from?
I think I was a little bit sleepy or drunk.
Probably drunk.
I need to
Okay.
He's used a whole roll of insulating tape.
So what he's done,
Still going. Still going.
and that's only one side.
Why is that necessary?
That's nearly as long as you.
Welcome to Francis CADE's How to Wrap Bar Tape Properly instructional video part 1. Take the sticky snake off the back completely. This is a nice type of bar tape because it's not sticky. We'll start off on the bottom. We're working on the left hand side first. We want to be wrapping inwards. So I start on the top here, leave about a centimetre, which you're going to poke inside at the end. start wrapping inwards, overlapping by, I don't know, 4 mil maybe. If you want your bar tape to feel thicker, then you can actually wrap it more closely each wrap. Keep going round and round, right up until you get to the shifter and you have a little gap. Don't need these pieces. So you go over, back around again, wrap it around the front, covering up this gap, keeping it nice and taut while you're doing it. Back through, and then you're wrapping backwards. So then when your hands are going like that, which is what people tend to do, you're tightening the bar tape, not like unraveling it, which is a common problem.
How tight are you pulling it on a level of 1 to 100?
62. On the last bit, you want to do a diagonal cut along the tape, just like that. Now you want to put the insulating tape in the same direction as the bar tape, right up to the edge. You don't need to put the insulating tape actually touching the bar. It looks neater, and this is what proper mechanics do. I'm not a proper mechanic. Then make a cut so the tape tucks under and the joint is out of sight. Use your fingers to stuff the rest of the bar tape in, and then you shove the bung in, and there you go, bar tape, done.
What's wrong with this corner? I've never been down there.
It's like when you go around a velodrome a few times. It's not very exciting.
There's nothing there.
No, exactly.
Gotta give them some shit to listen to in the wintertime. Fuck with us. Calm winter.
Pretty slippy.
Jess can't even get on. George nearly fell off. I'm kind of glad I'm not riding. Wellington boots, not the most grippy shoes in the world though. Right. Struggling. Mate. Did you bring spare socks with you?
Ah, just steal some from George. There. You know, someone's got to commit to the cause, haven't they?
Yeah, you want that white chain popping out.
Would have made sense if I went in because I got boots on.
It would have, but by
You
the
just
time
did
I said
it.
it, he was already in there.
Mate, I mean, you can make it splash well.
It's almost like he likes it. Well, not a nice shot of you riding past really quick.
In the sand.
Yeah, yeah.
Coming.
Come on.
I'm
So-
making it slowly.
One bit at a time. Yeah.
Good little hills.
Start, try and go.
You try and go.
Just try and go.
Where am I going?
Have you got cross race coming up?
Yeah.
You ready?
That's right.
Not at all. I'm excited, but getting on and off is going to be interesting.
Stay on the bike the whole way around the course.
Yeah, that's-
Bunny hop everything. Ride up the stairs
Run the whole way around.
or run the whole way around.
Yeah.
So the circuit we're going to is Leeds Castle down in Kent, not in Leeds. I think is one of the, that's a really loud bus, isn't it? Farley, falafel coaches. I would say it's one of the hardest circuits in the London and South East Cross League. But
Good.
one of the best. Sort of descents at Snake Along, climbs, bits where you'd have to pick your bike up and run up them, jumps, little swampy bit, long grass straights, people cheering, talking rubbish. It's a really fun circuit. I've done it every year for the last 5 years. On a mix of bikes from a geared cross bike to a single speed cross bike. Do not do it on a single speed cross bike, it hurts.
Teach Jess how to get on off.
Try getting on and off the bike, let's start with there. For me, over the front is better because I've got dodgy knees.
Off that.
Yeah,
What do the pros do?
both.
Committing to the cause. Don't catch your right bollock. Simple note. So I think about the momentum, not about trying to ride the bike. I'm like getting on it and just going for a free wheel, using the speed of the bike to do all the work for me. Wheel got him clipped in.
Yeah.
Just keep going like that. We're in a loop, we're in a loop.
You know your twin, Simon Yates, who just won the Vuelta.
The second Yates brother.
The second Yates brother. He's now the leader of the World Tour whole series overall. That's proper cool.
That is proper cool.
You know, he's 26.
I know. This is my twin. He's the same age as me. Same birthday.
It's just so weird, isn't it?
It actually is.
It's so weird. All of the Grand Tours are won by 3 different Brits. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Bright
This is
light.
Josh's magazine.
This is Josh's magazine. Do you know what's in it?
Yeah. What?
A picture of Josh. That's cool.
Okay.
What else is in it?
It's my picture, mate.
Hey, wait, ready?
It's my picture as well, mate. You saw an actual real life magazine?
The cover, and it's shiny. Death spray on the front cover.
I don't really know who Death Spray is.
I do.
Should I know?
Yeah.
You're all about Banksy and all that stuff. You're 4 minutes late to your meeting.
5 minutes late now.
Well, you have successfully distracted me for the last 2. I was 3 minutes late.
Whose fault is that?
Mine.
Wait.
It's your fault for being distracted.
Yeah.
So I do a giveaway?
I think you should. You want to give one away? Not
Yeah.
this one. This one's mine. You want to give away a magazine as well?
That's not even the door.
I'll tell you how
That's our boss.
I'll tell you about late he is when he leaves as well.
7
minutes, George.
7 minutes late.
So I think what we're going to do is give this away, minus me, to whoever can make you laugh the most on your Instagram channel. What's an Instagram
Oh,
channel?
I don't even flipping know, mate. I'm so tired.
You're going to post a photo of you with this assortment of stuff
Yeah.
at some point. Whoever writes a comment that makes collectively us laugh the most, mainly you laugh the most, can win this.
Wait, you got to win one. You got to do something that makes that one special. Now, bite it. I think we just ruined the competition, Jess.
Messed the competition up.
So that's a caption competition on my latest Instagram post. Go and put a comment underneath, and the funniest one is going to win this magazine, which we've vandalised, and a t-shirt, which we have not vandalised. Where can they find the link? Down below in here.
The link
Down
will be
below.
found in here.
In here is the video description.
Yeah.